Alright, here we are coming into St. Thomas. You can catch my live that I was doing showing the sail in, but then the internet lost it and I could not get it back. So I just wanted to show you here what it looks like where the Celebrity Reflections docking. So over here, as you can see, is a very industrial area over here. But then as you pull around here, got a little more of a shopping area here if you want to do shopping. It looks to me like it's similar to what is over on the other, let me go back over here. So on the other side of the hill there, those two hills, is where we docked last time with Norwegian, and indeed today there's a Disney ship there and Norwegian. And there as, you know, just a bunch of shopping there, walking around, and then you go into the town, you know, on the edge of that. So here, it looks very similar. So there must be up here on the other side that I didn't see, because I was wondering where we were going to dock here. But on the other side, clearly we're pulling in here. It's just beautiful. Look at the water. Just look at the water. Isn't that beautiful? Such a beautiful color. Those of you who are new here know I'm always taken by the color of the water wherever we go. It's so beautiful everywhere. Different, but beautiful. It would be hard to pick what's the most beautiful. So it looks here, there's an Effie shop, Diamonds Express, Carrie Loa, Del Sol. If you didn't know, those are all owned by cruise lines. And then over here, I'll have to walk around. I'll walk around and tell you what's in there. I can't quite see. But there are more shops. And then you can see there's another row of shops right there. So I like the little windmill here from the Dutch influence. It's just beautiful. Let's pan around and show you here. I'm wondering, this is maybe where all the boats come to pick up people that have excursions that go on a boat. I would like to do that sometime when Gordon's with me. So I think we are docked now. So if you have questions about it, let me know. Let's see, local time, it's noon, and it said we would be here at 12:30. So I'm sure that they are working on getting everything tied up and having the local officials come and check everything off. The cruise director was really cute last night. He says it's really usually quick in St. Thomas to have the local officials okay everything. He was just making a joke, but he's like, they come on, they say how many passengers and do they have dollars for tourism, and if the answer is yes, then they say okay, come on. But it does sound like it's a simple process here though, so that's really nice. It shouldn't take long and people can go ahead and You can get on their excursions, or if you book something separate. So we are still moving a little bit more. So you look at the, you can hear it. You can see the water. Oh, wow. Isn't that pretty? It'll be interesting to see if we have another ship join us over here in this area today. We do have that area right there where a ship could pull in. Wow, look at the water. It's moving. And over down there at the end, you can see it's moving down there as well. Did you see a news story that over in Hamburg, Germany, it was an AIDA cruise ship hit the port, or AIDA, however you say that. They hit the dock, so that's not good. I feel bad for whoever was in charge of that. It's going to be hard. Looks like we're going to be a while doing this. So I could let you go. I don't. But it is such a beautiful day here. It's such a beautiful place. It's just amazing. I think she does. While we're waiting here for them to finish up pulling into the dock, I did want to show you something. I'm on deck 6 and I'm very far forward. This is the front of the ship right here. There's the bridge. So you do feel more movement forward. You do be aware of that, but at the same time, here's something that I wanted to show you. When you look at deck 6, so this is the last cabin here, then those that have a rainbow balcony here, then you see how it goes in there, and when you look out, you're going to have something of an obstructed view. I know there's different opinions on how obstructed that is, but see all the way down, you're going to either see that ledge there, or you're going to see lifeboats clear down to almost the end of the ship down there. You see that? I'm zooming in here for you so that you can see. So be thoughtful of where you pick your cabin. I can help people with that. Oops, I zoomed in a little much. I can help, with that, but just keep that in mind here on Celebrity to be careful, because see, this is deck 6 and see deck 7 up there and 8. Like, I would go up to 8 at least if I was going to be more midship, so that you don't have your view blocked. So just a little bit of heads up there. It has not been bad here forward. You feel it more, but fortunately it doesn't make me seasick. You just feel it a little bit. But just be aware. choose your cabin. That would be helpful. And we're just still doing this. I don't know why. It's just really interesting. Not that they're doing anything wrong. Never docked here at this dock before, so I don't know what to expect. Got a little boat coming up here. So there's the captain there on that boat. One other thing I wanted to show you here really quick is I hadn't noticed it right off, but see over here in this little parking lot area, they've got all of the little buses that they use for excursions, the vans. They've got, last time we were here in St. Thomas, I saw that they use these little, let me try to zoom in so that you can see one, these little open air, they either use a van or these little open air things that like a pickup pulls it, and then people sit in the back. You can see that there. So I just realized that these are all assembled here and ready to go. Last time we were here, when you walked off, there were indeed people selling excursions just to take you over to like a beach, to Megan's Bay. There's different beaches, all of these things here. So if you don't book an excursion and you want to do something, it's not a hard thing. So we are, and all aboard this evening is I think it's at 7 o'clock. It's either 7 or 7:30. So there's plenty of time to go see things and do things. So just wanted to show you that. And like I said, I think that this is where the boats are coming in that will take people. Like there's a catamaran. They're probably going to take people out on an excursion. Isn't that a beautiful boat? So if you've got any questions, let me know and I'll try to find out. And we're just still here with navigation still going on here. The thrusters or whatever that is are still going, so and maybe will be a while. It's beautiful here. I think it's really nice. And they've got all these little different places along here. I mentioned they've got the Del Sol, the Cariloa, Diamonds Express. There's the Effie store. They've got an Effie store on board. Lots of beautiful jewelry. Just so much all along here. There's that pretty window. So here's St. Thomas for you. Alrighty, I just wanted to show you this. So for the excursions here on Celebrity, I think that for the most part they just meet out on the pier. So you can see people walking along. Some of them are clearly with a group, some of them are not, but I just wanted to show you kind of how it works. Clearly you get off on the other side of the ship here and you come around, you can do any shopping you want, but then you go right over here. They've been, first of all, they've been loading up these different boats for different excursions or things people have booked on their own. I'm not quite sure. But I've seen some groups coming along that I think there's some excursions there. So we've got that. And then do you see right over here where all the little buses and vans are coming in and out? This is where people are getting on some excursions there, I've noticed. I would think that you could maybe get a bus there, but I am not sure if you didn't book something. But I noticed that there are lots of taxis that are entering just right. See where that van is right there? They're entering there and then they're driving that direction to go down there. And I think that that's a good place to pick up a taxi as well if you want to, because you can kind of see, let's see if I can get it for you. See, they're pulling in right through there. So that's maybe another good place to get a taxi if you come along and you can't get what you want in this parking lot. I'm gonna walk around and see what I can see that's going on, but I just wanted to let you know that there's two areas here. So if you can't get what you want here, then just cross over and try over in that other little area right there, okay? So here's just a nice view. We're just straight here. So I appreciate you all watching. Since it's taking a long time, I won't make you stay until they're done with that. But I just wanted to kind of finish the sailaway because we lost the internet. And I was using the ship's internet and we lost it. So here we are in St. Thomas on the Celebrity Reflection. If you've got any questions, put them down below and I'm happy to answer them or find out the answer for you if I haven't already seen it or learned it here. So I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Bye-bye.